Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily add contacts in Honeybook. It's pretty simple and pretty straightforward, and right before we start, I have down below in the description, when you're going to scroll down, 20% off when you're going to use the Honeybook through me. So if you want, you can get 20% off for the first year, and it's like pretty good because you can save a lot of money. So if you're starting out, definitely use the link and you're going to save some cash. And then when you're going to click next to the projects on contacts, you're going to click add new contact. So here you can add new contacts, or you can upload a file. So there are two ways how you can do it. When I'm going to add new contact, I'm going to add an email address. So let's say it's going to be gmail.com, full name, phone number, email address, like mailing address. And what you can do always is add additional business info. So you can add a company type, company name. So let's say this is going to be a bookkeeping, accounting, company name. Let's say it's going to be, and company website URL. So you can add it. And then your private notes, like the information about this client. So that's pretty much it, how you can do it. If you're gonna have any questions, guys, let me down in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye. See ya. And now add him, and you can see the client right here. So yeah.